everyone and welcome. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, in today's video, you will get to know about this website named collarextension.xyz, and in this video, I'll tell you whether this website is a legit one or not. Before I start, I would like to tell you that this video is a truly unbiased video and this website does not belong to us. Now let us have a look at the home page of the website. So guys, first thing you can notice here is that the website name and the title displayed on the home page of the website is different and it is suspicious here. So let us see some more product images here. These are the products displayed on the website, and as you can see, all the products are nicely designed. Talking about the price of the product, all the products are priced low, which is a suspicious sign here. Now guys, let me tell you, these products are available at various other scam websites and it is not a good sign here. So this was about the website. Now here you can see different payment options available, but let me tell you guys, if you will click on these payment icons here, you'll be taken nowhere and it is a big scam sign here. Guys, let me know if you have any experience regarding this website or its products in the comment box below. Now let us have a look at the contact us page of this website. And let us see what all contact details are provided here. So guys, here you can see that they are giving you their office address, phone number and email address. So if you have any query, you can call them or send them an email at the given email address. This was about the contact us page. Now let us see the return and exchange policy of this website, and let us check what all details are given there. So guys, this is the page displaying return policy, and here you can see that they provide you 30 days return policy. That means if you are not satisfied with your product, you can return that product within 30 days. So this was about the return policy. You can read it more here. Now let us see the shipping information of this website and let us check what all details are given on this page. So guys, here it is mentioned that they charge $10 and for worldwide shipping they charge $50. So here are some more details. You can see here that they generally deliver your product between 1 to 5 weeks. And this was about the shipping information. So let us see the menu option now and let us check what details are given here. So guys, these are the categories displayed, and here you can see, let us check the Joy-Con and controller category and let us check their products here. So guys, talking about the products price, you can see again these products are priced low and it is again a suspicious sign here. And you can see that this website is taking time to get load, which shows sloppy work on the website's part. Let me tell you guys, you'll find only a limited quantity of items displayed here on this website, and it is not a good sign at all. So guys, if you want to check more products, you can select the type of category given here in the menu option. Now giving a final statement, guys, I won't recommend you to buy anything from this website, as this website is definitely a suspicious one, as this website has shown copy paste work. So I won't recommend you. I advise you to confirm the authenticity of a website and its products before you make any payment. I hope today's video was helpful for you. Guys, if you want to see more such videos, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they may get aware of such scam websites present online. Do share your reviews, if any, with us in the comment box below. And yeah guys, don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching today's video and have a good day.